Hello everyone, today I'm going to be giving my first impressions, testing, and taking a look at the new Rockpals Rockpower 224 watt hour 200 watt portable power station. And if you guys didn't know, Rockpals is a company that makes portable and affordable power stations, and they are also a bestseller on Amazon. So in the box, you can see that the box is really well made. You'll get some manufacturer papers including the order page. You'll get a thank you card as well as the user guide, which gives you frequently asked questions and technical specifications about the unit. You'll also get your 30 watt AC input along with your 12 volt cigarette car charger. Just note that the unit will only take in 30 watts from the DC input and 30 watts from the USB-C with a combined input of 60 watts. Here's the product and let's take a look. The first thing I notice is the bright display. It's clearly visible during the day and during the night. It has the battery bars, percentage, and watts coming in and out. The power button, you press and hold for about 3 seconds and it turns on. Same thing if you want to turn it off. There's also a display button that turns off the battery percentage and the watts coming in and out. On the DC side, there's a 120 watt cigarette output and a DC button. Press to turn it on or off. There's also two 5.5 60 watt outputs for the DC and a 30 watt input, same 5.5 millimeter. There are two 3.1 amp USB ports and a quick charge 3.0 port. There's also a 30 watt USB-C port, all turned on by that button. And on the side there's an AC port, 200 watts. It's really nice, big inverter. You can turn it on by pressing and holding the AC button for about 3 seconds. There's also a vent on either side which gives it a nice ventilation. All around it's made out of plastic. The handle is also made out of plastic, but I found that everything is pretty durable. I feel like you can scratch it easily, but it's pretty nice still. And on the bottom we see 4 rubber feet and some technical specifications. Everything here is also made out of plastic, but it's heavier plastic here and it's more rugged, which means you could put it on some rocks. The rubber feet keep it in place, and overall it has a nice handle and a nice unit. This is a very nice power station for camping and wherever you want to go. This has 2 vents on either side and a fan on the left side, and I noticed that whenever it goes to 30 watts input or output, the fan turns on. Overall, this power station weighs about 6.3 pounds, has a good feel to it, and it's not too heavy. So one big part of camping is your air mattress. You want to make sure you get a good fill. Here I'm using the power station and I'm pulling about 90-80 watts here, and it's really good. I only lost 3% from filling it up. Here I'm powering a phone. You can see that I'm quick charging it and I can pull a lot of watts, especially a big phone like this one. You can plug in several and it'll still charge, and charge fast with the 30 watt USB-C PD output. In my opinion, the best part about power stations like this one is the ability to charge multiple devices. I'm plugging in string lights, gimbals, and phones here, and it's really nice. Here I'm also plugging in many things, including the Goal Zero Lighthouse micro flash, and it makes it really convenient because you don't have to have that small power bank and all those messy cables. This Rockpals power station has a strong inverter, which is enough to plug in a TV or camera battery charges. It even looks good because the AC port is on the side. And stay tuned, we're going to be doing a video on what this Rockpals can power and showing you guys what this power station is capable of powering both inside and outside. Thanks for watching everyone. Please make sure to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, comment down below if you have any questions or what you want to see of this power station, and make sure to stay tuned for our next video about this Rockpals power station, and we'll see you on the next one.